Here are 5 things we love about 950 Mississippi Avenue Southeast. This home offers incredible value for the city. It is an end-unit townhome built in 2019 with off-street parking, modern design, and more than 1,800 square feet across 3 finished levels. It features a bright, open main level with great natural light. The flow between the living, dining, and kitchen makes everyday living and entertaining feel effortless. The chef's kitchen includes granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and rich cabinetry for a timeless look. It has a standout primary suite. You get double closets, a private bath, and a layout that makes the upper level feel spacious and comfortable. This home includes a fully finished lower level that adds valuable flexibility. Use it as a media room, a gym, a home office, or a guest area depending on your needs. And it sits in one of Southeast DC's next major growth corridors. You are near Archer Park, the Archie St. Elizabeth's campus, Joint Base Anacostia Bowling, and new development throughout Congress Heights. Parks, trails, and community spaces are all nearby. I'm Troy Patterson with the Spera Group at TTR Sotheby's. If you want more details or a private tour, send me a message and let's talk about your next move.